And how do people wear wigs there at Shein? I can't leave this wig on any longer. Hi there, Laura here. Today I am doing a collab video, but this time I'm not collabing with just one person, I'm collabing with 3 other people. So I'm going to be collabing with Kailee Wesley and with Kittie Jay Havok, or Havok, I'm not sure how to say your last name, Kitty, sorry, and with Lil Ms Nat. So we are going to do a mermaid look, and I got this idea because I got a palette called Mermaid Hearts, which I haven't got in front of me, which I need to go get. And I was watching Kailee, and she had said how much she loves mermaids, and I thought, oh, we should do a collab doing mermaid look, and then it kind of just grew from there. We just started inviting some other people to join us because we thought it would be fun. So that's what we are doing today. So I will link all their channels down below, and please go check them out. They're all wonderful people and such fun to watch. So here's my Revolution palette called Mermaid's Heart, which looks like this. So I'm going to use that on my eyes today. But first of all, I want to do something with my eyebrows. So I'm going to get my pencil. So I'm hoping that no building work is going to go on while I'm filming, because I'm filming a bit late. And you might hear some banging and crashing. I think I'm going to go in to start off with my Dream with a Vision palette and go into this bubble colour. And I want a little angled brush. This one. And I'm going to try and give myself purple eyebrows. Now, I have actually done my foundation, but I haven't done anything else. So I've done my foundation and powdered it, but because of what I'm doing today, I thought I'd need to do my foundation first this time. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Hypnotic Lights here, and I'm going to put some of that in my eyebrows and make them all sparkly, because, you know, why not? Maybe it'll look like they're kind of wet from the water being a mermaid. So I haven't been following Kittie for that long, but we have done a collab before, and she is so fun. When I need cheering up, or I just want to watch something fun, I go searching for her videos. And I just adore Kailee. She's so wonderful and such a nice friend. And we've been organising a few collabs. I can see the four of us. I'm not counting myself. I can see the 4 of us, Nat and Kittie and I, doing lots of collabs together in the future. I hope they can too, because it is really fun. Are they coming out purple? So when you've got dark hair, it's quite hard to make coloured kind of eyebrows, but they look purple enough to me, I think. And they're just catching the light a little bit as I turn my head. And I put my pearls on today because you get pearls underwater, and I put my little fishy earrings on because being a mermaid. I'm going to start off with this colour here. These colours don't have any names. I'm just going to put that on the top there. I have got some, I'm using my Maybelline eyeshadow primer now because I've run out of my next one. I'm going to go in with this colour here. Kind of a pale teal. pretty. I have actually never used this palette, so I have no idea what it's like, but first colour in, it seems to be working nicely. It's going on and it's pigmented, so that's good. It's a bit of a crazy look to try first palette with. And then I'm going to go into this one here, and that's really pretty too. It's just a little bit darker than the other one. I did my nails sparkly and pink to go with my mermaid look. This is not going to be a wearable look, by the way. It's definitely going to be a fantasy look. Okay, so I haven't got my eyes even. I don't think it's going to matter that much by the time I finish. I go in with this colour here. Right, so there's 6 shimmers and 6 mattes in here. And apparently I've just decided to use the same brush for everything. I'm getting my fluffy brush now. So I'm going to go into this blue, which is a matte. And deepen out this outer corner. That makes a nice darker green there. And they mix well together. I'm not being particularly tidy, even though I've already done my base, but you'll see why in a minute. Well, that looks great, doesn't it? Looks crazy. So I have collabed with all these ladies before, and they're all wonderful, and I would encourage you to go and try them out. I'm going to put a wing on. I'm just going to use my NYX matte liquid liner. Now this is where it's going to start getting a bit weird. So I'm going to spray my face with my setting spray. Because I want my face to be a little bit tacky. No, drop something. And then this is a new bathroom sponge thing, you know, like those ones that you wash yourself with. And I've just pulled it apart, and usually you use like net stockings, but I didn't have anything and I couldn't find anything in our tiny town, and so it'll be more subtle than if you'd used stockings. But I'm going to put this over my head like this. Get my hair out of the way. So I can be a bank robber now. And I'm going to go into my Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette. And I'm going to be using various pinks and purples out of here. And I'm going to just pat it on. And then I'm going to go in with my highlighter palette. I'm going to use my Sophx Revolution highlighter palette and a clean brush. I'm going in with this purple one to start off with. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to spray my face again, so get all this nice and tight. Let that dry a bit. I look so wet now. Hopefully it's working. Okay, I'm going in with my BYS Highlighter 2 palette, and I'm just going to use various colours. So I'm going to use a bit of green, which is why I was saying I wasn't too worried if I was a bit messy with my eyeshadow, because as you can see it's not going to really matter. And I'm going to go in with the pink. And I might do a little bit of white on my nose. Let's see if it worked. It worked really well on my nose. Look at my nose. See that? So weird. So weird. I'm so weird. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of the pink just around here. I don't know why. I just am. Am I looking mermaidish yet? And I'm going to go back in with my eyeshadow palette that I was using earlier. And I think I'll go in with, I'm going to go in with this green here. Put that underneath. I'm going to spray my face again. Now I'm going to attempt to put some lashes on, so I'll come back when I've done that. So the lashes I'm going to put on are these ones here. Glam by Manicure, in natural apparently. They don't look particularly natural to me. I have to just come on here and say to Nikki Raven, thank you for your tip on putting lashes on. So her tip was you put your glue on your lashes and then you just put a line of glue where you want them to sit, and it does make it a lot easier, so thank you, Nikki. Here's what I'm looking like. So far I found a nice pink wig to go with this mermaid look. Now this is the first time I have ever worn a wig in my life, so I don't know what I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to zoom in a bit. And I've just got my purple lipstick on, which is CoverGirl one, with the Milani on top the lip topper that I used on my eyebrows. And I'm going in with my white pencil, the wig is itchy. So I'm just going to go in with the Milani white liquid eyeshadow. Here, everywhere. I'm going to go in with some jewels, and I may need to use some lash glue because I'm not sure if this will stick, but we'll try them first. Here is my mermaid look. Do I look like a mermaid? Or do I just look crazy? This was lots of fun. It's like playing dress up. So I had a lot of fun. So thank you to Kitty and to Nat and to Kailee for doing this collab with me and allowing me to play dress up and have lots of fun. And please go and check out their channels because I am sure you will really enjoy their channels just as much as I do. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye!